Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. If y'all been following the channel for a while, about a year ago I bought a storage shed. I've been slowly, overfilling it, and I've been contemplating making a set of shelves for in there. I ain't no carpenter. I can do some woodworking. I'm not real good at it, but I can burn some metal. But I just haven't had time working on everything else around here. So I had a company reach out, and they have a nice set of folding metal shelves. So they offered to send a set to me. So I said, yeah, why not? We've been wanting them. So we're going to try to get them installed today. So let's get over to the shed, and I'll show you what we got, and we'll get them installed. All right, y'all. Sorry about the echo, but we're out here in the storage shed. So let's get this thing unboxed, and we'll see what we got. So I definitely didn't want it to come open. Well packaged, I'll tell you that. Oh, y'all. All right. Let me get this kind of cleaned up here a little bit, and I'll bring y'all right back. All right, y'all. I got everything out of the box. We got a bunch of hardware. These appear to be the brackets go on the wall. Don't know what those are. We got an instruction manual, and we got a template. So I'm going to read through the instructions, figure out what we need, and see if we can't get this thing up on the wall. So I know it's kind of hard to see with the black stand there, but trust me, it's all there. So, all right, we'll be right back. All right, y'all. I had to run a couple stringers across here because these are 36-inch on center, and these shelves are for 24-inch on. Well, they'll go 12, 16, 18, and 24 on centers. So, yeah. But we're gonna, and this is a template. This give you this nice little level, stick right in there, and get it up here, get that nice and level, and we're going to put them on the 24. So we're going to mark, try that again. We're going to mark, 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 6 holes, and that one there. All right, that looks good. So, all right, now I'm gonna take a drill bit, drill some pilot holes so we don't blow these boards out, and then we'll start putting brackets up. So give me a minute, get them holes drilled, and we'll get the brackets up. All right, y'all. Like I said, I've got my holes marked, got my drill. We're gonna drill some holes in here. All right. Now grab one of the brackets. And they send all the hardware and everything. So, alright. Now they do send a nice little wrench with this thing, but we got power tools, so we're gonna power tool it. One more. All right. Get this other side put up. Technically, you're supposed to put this bracket on first, so it's out of your way, but who am I to go by the rules? All right, now let's get our bolt out to get this thing, get this arm bolted up here. So let me get that done, and we'll bring you guys right back. Alright, y'all, got the brackets put up. Next step, we got to put the shelf together, and it's fairly simple. I got one put in. You take one end that has the holes in it, and these things have little keepers, and this is just to hold it together. And one more. Alright, that side's together. Now we gotta get the other side, and some screws go in it. So let's I'm gonna check over the instructions, and we'll get that done. All right, y'all. After you get those 3 pieces in, there's 2 end pieces that don't have the little keepers on them. There's holes out here on the end of the side piece. Take the provided screw, little Allen wrench that's provided. Give her a little snug, and then we're ready for the other end. So let me grab another end piece here, and I'll start here, put that piece in, that one, that one, that one, and that one. This might be a little easier with 2 people, but I chill solo, so. All right, here we go. Grab a couple more screws here. And a little Allen wrench. And I'm gonna start this one, because this other end popped out. right. Get her snugged up here. There's that one. And there is that one. All right. I'm gonna check the instructions, see what's next. All right, y'all. We are in the home stretch. Just gotta take this, make sure our little push tabs are down. And there's little notches back here. Set your shelf into. And there's that. So, all right. Now we gotta get the hardware to bolt it down. All right. There's these little brackets here. Got little wings on the end, and they go up over top. And we got a carriage bolt. Drops in from the top down through, and you got a nice little nylock nut. Goes on in there. And we need to get our this is our little tool. We're gonna hold down. All right, I'm gonna do the other side here, and all right. Now, the last thing is there's two bolts that go out here on this end to keep the shelf from apparently wanting to slide forward. But I'm gonna double check the instructions and we'll bring you guys right back. All right, y'all. There it is. Got a nice shelf. Seems pretty stable to me. So yeah. Oh, the one cool thing about this that I like, if you don't want to use this, pull there's two pins, one on each bracket. Pull it out, and it folds down against the wall, out of the way. So, you know, you can get by it or whatever, but when you need it, fold it up. Find the hole, put your pin in, like that. All right, all ready for storage. So now I like them. There are actually two sets of these. I'm gonna put another set down that way. So yeah, I'm happy with them. I like them. So. All right, y'all, there you go. Got my fuel cans up there. That's what I wanted to do because those cans are pretty tender. So I just got, it's got two of them up there now, but I got a couple more I got to throw up there, but it's perfect. All right, y'all, there you have it. The Fleximount WR24BFD-V2. There you go. That's the name of the company. That's the model. Like I said, there are two sets of these shelves. I just put one up today because I'm not sure exactly where I want to put the other one at. But yeah, good and strong, easy installation. So hope you guys check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can pick one of these up, and hope you guys check it out. So appreciate it, and thanks Fleximount for sending it to us, and talk to y'all later.